Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the situation for limits. So kindly refers to the situation. Here we have the function square root of x minus 1 over x to the power of 3 minus 1 with the limits when x approaching 1. So kindly substitute the value 1 into the function. So for the numerator, we will have 0 over 0, which is the indeterminate form. So my suggestion is to focus on the denominator. So here we will have the situation fx is equals to x to the power of 3 minus 1. So now what we're going to do is to find the factor for x to the power of 3 minus 1, where we can substitute the value 1. So we will have 0, shows that x minus 1 is a factor. So meaning that we can, by using the factor, to find the quotient. So here we have x to the power of 3 minus 1 for the px, and the factor would be x minus 1. Kindly multiply with the x square, so we will have x to the power of 3 minus x square. Kindly simplify the situation, so we will have x square minus 1. Next, multiply with the x, so we will have x square minus with the x. Simplify, so we will have x minus 1. Finally, plus with the 1, so we will have x minus 1, and we have the remainder 0. Rewrite the situation. So limits when x approaching 1, for the situation, square root of x minus 1 over, we will have x squared plus with the x plus with the 1, multiply with x minus 1. Again, kindly substitute the value 1. So we will have 0 for the numerator. And then next, kindly refers to the denominator. So here we will have 3, and here we will have 0. So finally, we will have 0, where we call the indeterminate form. Next, my suggestion is to multiply by the conjugate. So limits when x approaching 1, we have the square root of x minus 1 over, we have the situation x squared plus with the x plus with the 1. Multiply with x minus 1. Multiply with the conjugate, so we have square root of x plus with the 1 over square root of x plus with the 1. So do remember, only expand for one part. So my suggestion would be the numerator part. So as we can see, we can apply the formula where we have the a squared minus b squared, because we are dealing with the conjugate of the surd. So limits when x approaching 1, and we will have the situation x minus 1 over, we will have x squared plus with the x plus with the 1, multiply with x minus 1. Multiply with the square root of x plus with the 1. Notice that we have a common terms where we have x minus 1. So we can simplify and then rewrite the situation. Limits when x approaching 1, so we will have 1 over, we have x squared plus with the x plus with the 1, multiply with the square root of x plus with the 1. Kindly substitute the value 1, so we will obtain 3, this part. And in here we will have 2. So finally, for the situation, we will obtain approaching 1 over 6 for the value of y. So here we are, and thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.